Guidance, Dean Student Affairs, Dean Academics, HODs of various departments, and my dear faculty members and participants. I welcome everyone for the valedictory of FDP on Excellence in Teaching and Learning, OBE, Digital Innovation and Research Practices. So, first and foremost, I would like to thank our esteemed management for providing the opportunity and support for organizing this FDP program. Next, I express my gratitude to our respected Director Sir Dr. A. Raji Reddy for his valuable guidance, encouragement, and continuous support in making this FDP a grand success. My sincere thanks go to all the deans and HODs of various departments for their cooperation, motivation, and constant encouragement throughout this event. Now, I would like to extend special gratitude to our resource person, both internal and external, for sharing their expertise, knowledge, and valuable insight, which greatly enriched our learning experience. So now we are going to project the certificate in the smart TV. So I'll start with our Dean IQAC sir, who has started our inauguration as a resource person. So Dr. G. Shrikant sir, so he has delivered a topic on implementation of outcome-based education and accreditation. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Next, Mr. V. Dinesh Reddy. He is external resource person. He has handled the session on efficient resource management in cloud data center. Thank you, sir. Next, Professor A. Sai Kumar sir, passionate educationist. He has handled the session on innovative teaching methodology and consultancy proposal. So next, we would like to thank our Dean Academics, Dr. DTV Dharmaji Rao sir. He has handled the session on comprehending the relationship between COs and POs, significance of attainments. And Mr. Madhusudan and Ms. Nazima Afrin Madam for handling the session on effective CO, PO, PSO mapping outcome attainment analysis for outcome-based education. So next, our Dean R&D, Dr. K. Shurandaju sir, he has handled the session on the topic overview of NBA and outcome-based program accreditation. Next, Mrs. P. Santuja and Mr. A. Ganapati, Assistant Professor of CSE Department, they have handled the session on Beyond the Blackboard, Smart TVs, Lecture Capture in the Modern Classroom. This is purely practical oriented session. Next, Dr. K. Maheshwari and Ms. Tabeen Fatima. Topic is outcome based and student centered teaching and learning. Next, Mr. G. Pavan Kumar sir. His title was Enhancing Digital Competency through MS Word Excel. Next, today last session, it was handled by Dr. Lakshmaya sir. Title was Academic Research and Publication Excellence tools, writing, and ethics. Finally, we have concluded with Mallikarjuna Reddy sir. He has handled the topic enhancing digital competency through MS PowerPoint. So I would like to thank all the resource person for sharing their knowledge. Now I would like to thank our dynamic FDP coordinators for their tireless effort right from day 1 to day 6 till now with bright face. Mrs. Srilekha madam, Mrs. Sirisha and Mr. Mallikarjuna for their dedicated service for this past 6 days. Their continuous effort. Their certificates has been displayed in the smart TV. So this time we went with smart TV. Yes, sir. And I would also like to thank Mr. B. Dinesh Kumar, CSM department, student of CSM, right from day 1 to day 6. Sharp 9 o'clock he came to this room, till 4 o'clock he was here, then 4:15 he went off. Very good support from Mr. B. Dinesh Kumar. His support, Fab Club, Photography Club, his support helps us to reach larger audience. So we sincerely appreciate his contribution. So which goes to the student of CSM department. I also thank all the faculty members who directly and indirectly supported for this FDP, for this enthusiastic participation, active involvement, and for your meaningful, productive support. Now, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Not, sir. Now, uh, now I request the participants, one from CSE, one from AIML, one from Data Science and ECE, to share your valuable feedback. So with this feedback, we can wind off this valedictory session. First, first I would call from CSE. In
so many things. During first semester, maybe I don't know how to conduct the classes and all of that. But now I know how to conduct the classes, how effective the classes would be. And I have came to know about OBE and pedagogical initiatives, how to conduct creative classes. And I have learned about COPO mapping. First, when I came to know about COPO mapping, I thought it's very difficult task. But when I have started doing it, only a formula is enough to do the COPO mapping. And from this, I have to came to know that how to do an innovative teaching. It can be critical thinking and creative thinking. Next, we can know about communication, conversation, and different teaching strategies that can lead to effective classrooms. Thank you.
thank you, Himaranas madam, for sharing your valuable feedback. So next, I would call from CSM department. Any one of you can come and share your feedback.
Ma'am, again press the button. Okay.
Next, I would like to call from
Good afternoon to all. Myself, Ram Chandra Reddy. I am from CSM department, working as assistant professor. Good afternoon to all the dignitaries on the stage. I have learned so many things. How to prepare Excel, MS Office, Excel sheets, and PowerPoint presentations. How can we teach students? How can we prepare the CO mapping? And how can we involve the students in active classroom? Suppose after taking the class 1 hour, or suppose you want to manage other faculty's class, how can we engage the class? I have learned like this so many things. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your feedback. Now I would like to call from Data Science Department. Good afternoon, to all the team, HOD, and my dear faculty members. So, and especially CSE department for conducting the FDP faculty development program. So, in these sections, we learn so many things. So, because every section is different. So, what is the OB concept? What is NVA? And how to attempt the COPO mapping, PSO. So, and also we learn attendance and also how to use the smartphone. So, I'm a fresher, so I know by attending this program, so I know how to use the smart board, and also we learned MS Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So this section is this FDP is very useful for me. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Thank you, madam. Now, if any one of you are willing to share any feedback, please you are invited. EC department. Not any other.
Recent join in freshers like us, like any other fresher who joined recently? What the senior?
So now I request Dr. A. Raji Reddy sir to share few words related to our
Sir, press the button. Down. Green light is blinking. Yes. No, sir. Aha, లేదు. Yes, sir.
ఇది లైన్
Yes, sir. పోయింది.
power is
చార్జ్ పెట్టాను. ఉంది సార్, పెట్టాను సార్.
ఓకే. గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ఎవ్రీవన్. Good afternoon everyone. Deans, HODs, and my dear faculty members, other participants, even participants who are joined online. So from the feedback, what I expected, I got at least 2 freshers. They actively participated and gave the feedback and useful. So we usually will say in a classroom 70 students are there. If one student listens, that is a satisfaction. Similarly, I got a satisfaction that 2 participants have learned something. So that means it is a successful. Right? Doesn't, so all the usually what happens when you become a senior and experienced, you assume that we know everything. But really, a cycle of 7 years. Usually it is treated as 7 years. After 7 years, you will become a junior. Next again, 7 years, again you have to become a junior. So that way you have to calibrate your experience and you could start learning. So every cycle is a 7 years. Like NBA records, we have to maintain 7 years. Similar way, right? So whatever it is, with a good note and thought, we initiated this program. And to effective usage of time also, because we have a very good time June, wherein the faculty who are, because of this MBA accreditation process, we come to know so many other things which has to be focused. Because of NBA, we did not focus anything except preparing document. Now after the NBA, just like that, the students also will read after they getting the certificate. When they go for interview, right? My MBA అయిపోయింది after getting the certification, and now we are learning. So how to effectively prepare the documents in future again. Hopefully, the usage of smart board. What I come to know is the important aspect is usage of smart board, because all the classrooms, to my knowledge, 70% of the classrooms are now equipped with the smart board. Everybody should know how to use it and how effectively classroom can be engaged. That is one thing I know. And when it comes to the COPO evaluation or any other thing, any analysis if you want to do, you should be very thorough in the MS Office, especially Excel. You know, Excel also you can program it. So no need to learn C and then do typical programming. Even using Excel also you can do wonders. Even using Excel also. Right? So that also please focus so that you can analyze your results, your POPO, how it is attaining, how it is changing, how to generate the graph chart, bar charts, pie charts, whatnot. Anything can be done using MS Office, MS Excel. And you know how to even prepare the document MS Word. Like how to settings and everything, like tabs, right? Spacing, paragraphs, sentence. So many things are there. Even you can learn many things even Word also. Because these are the important, because all the branches are CSLI, except ECE. But even today the technology is that everybody has to now be typing skills. To improve your typing skills, future you are in whoever is doing PhD work also, they should know how to type their own thesis instead of giving to third person. If you type your thesis, that is really about, one can award your PhD also based on that. Means every word you type, everything you know what written in the thesis, especially. So this is I feel these three practical hands-on sections what I found your active involvement. Definitely we hope the new academic year 26-27 will be very fruitful, and students also will feel that something different. The same teachers taught us last semester something different today. They should feel, right? Though everything may be same physically, but how the transformation I would like to see in the 26-27 next academic plus semester. Whenever we start the class, that is July 6th onwards, right? So with this, I appreciate the department, I appreciate the coordinators, even I appreciate the participants who made it possible this program successful for the last 6 days. So wish all the best, good luck for the future endeavors. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Once again, thank you all for your presence and support. So I request everyone to assemble in front of B block for group photo.
One more thing, actually, we should have included one more topic also in this everything. Use of AI tools. Because nowadays the order of the day, AI tools can be used. Smart board it is there anyway. Nice. Okay, okay. That also you can use it. Why? Because I'm saying very recently in 20 portal also the key is generated using AI. Portal itself, question paper is fed to the system. It will give the key. So now some experimentation is going on. Likewise, in every aspect or every criteria, wherever it is possible, try to use AI tool and minimize your effort, maximize the output. This is what you can do using the AI tool. Even you can use this AI tool even mentoring, especially, right? Analyze the psychometric analysis of the student. That is what I mean to say. So wherever possible, so that you can do some experiment, something like that, using AI tools. Even question paper can also be generated using groups level. Using the groups level, the question paper can be generated once the syllabus is fed to the AI. Likewise, our OA, officer assistant show, is using like anything. Hard copies, any hard copy is given, is converting into the soft copy. Phone numbers, very recently, we had a ECTL, other programs, no? So with that, what we did, just people have written their name and phone number, scanned and converted into the digital within no time. Right? So like this, wherever possible, if you start using, you will come to know how you can make use of it. AI, which are free.
Yes, sir.
Which are free. Right?
Final version is free for 1 year also, means full version.
Yes. Okay, free ఉన్నప్పుడు వాడేసుకోండి తర్వాత later we'll think of whether we'll go next level, right? But for our purpose, academic purpose, high level is not required.
For research, we are already using, sir. Like suppose 100 titles are there. I have two or three my papers. Which title is suitable for this reference? I am giving to the Google Gemini. It is saying these are fully compatible, matching, partially matching, no matching. So for all the matching.
Now the academic projects, you are going to choose academic projects for your students. Supervisor, Meere. So being a supervisor, you are supposed to
Full
present.
Full paper here, only title.
Abstract Meere present cheyale. First week of July. As a supervisor, as a guide, you have to present the PPT. Which technology, which subject, which problem you want to do here. Later, project review committee, whoever may be the PRC members, they should review the title by using AI. Similar titles are there. Otherwise, you have to advise that you change the title. This is not appropriate. So, like this, I am saying an example. It is an example. So, like this, in every part of your day-to-day activities, you can use implement this AI concept, right? Because it has to be now. It is a part of our life. It will become a part of our life. Don't think that it is something different. No, it is part, right? So please try to learn that also. One of our alumni, Mr. Mana Nikhil, for 3-day boot camp for primary school teachers and principals we have organized in the month of April or March sometime. So he has given a session, wonderful session. All the school teachers generated AI using all the tools, they generated their content and showcased also. Right? So likewise, why can't we being a technical technocrats and technical faculty members, we can easily implement where school teachers are able to do it. Right? In assessing the even assignment assessment also. Right? You give otherwise I told you some other day that you give the unique assignment. Unique assignment means assignment for every individual should be different. So that where you can use the technology and generate different assignments. Why not? ఏది అడుగుతుంది ఇస్తుంది కదా అడగడం నోరు తెరవండి అడగడం ప్రాంప్టింగ్ నథింగ్ బట్ అంటే మనం అడిగితే నాకేంటి ఇలా ఖర్చు అయిపోతుంది మాట్లాడితే అంటే కష్టం రైట్ మీరు ఎంత అడిగితే అంత ఇస్తుంది అది అంటే హౌ డు యూ ప్రాంప్ట్ దట్ మచ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ యూ కెన్ గెట్ ఐఎమ్ ఆల్సో స్లోలీ యూజింగ్ ఇట్ మరి మీరు ముందు ఉండాలి నాకు రైట్ ఓకే సో ప్లీజ్ మేక్ ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ couple of weeks in the time ఉంది కొద్దిగా రీసెర్చ్ చేయండి there are he said that just I want to highlight only few things which he mentioned 48,000 AI tools are there. You can imagine. And by the time he coming from the cab from the his office to our college and he has generated a song on our chairman and he played that song also in different tunes. ఏ పాట అంటే ఆ పాట జనరేట్ చేయండి తెలుగులో మంచి బ్యూటిఫుల్ లిరిక్స్ అండ్ సింగింగ్ ఈ అది చూపించాడు. That's what really wonder where it was, we don't know, but that's it. So likewise, there are 200 important tools he has mentioned. Possible, we'll try to have a online session to our faculty members through online. We can give some on AI, how many tools are there, how it can be used, like that. But you can also generate. Again, అదే అడిగితే చెప్పేస్తుంది ఎన్ని టూల్స్ ఉన్నాయో అడగడమే మనకు కావాల్సింది. ప్రాంప్టింగ్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. హౌ డు యూ ప్రాంప్ట్ యూ విల్ గెట్. ఓకే రైట్. సో నెక్స్ట్ 2 weeks ఏంది మనకు
Prompting.
Thank you, sir. We are sure that you will be use of AI All of you kindly assemble in front of B block for group photo.
Yeah.